In today's video, I will teach you how to create a clean product photo for online stores with AI. Let's get started. Good product photography is essential for online stores. It can make the difference between a customer scrolling past or clicking buy. But hiring a professional photographer or renting a studio setup can be expensive. Luckily, with AI tools like ChatGPT's image editing, you can create clean, modern product photos at home with just a few clicks. To start, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Then sign in with your free account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Now, in the prompt box, click the plus icon, then select Create Image to switch to the AI image editing mode. Now click the plus icon again, then select Add Photos or Files. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl U on your keyboard. Now choose the product photo from your computer that you want to edit, and make sure to use a well-lit product photo with minimal clutter to get the best AI results. Now it's time to tell the AI exactly what kind of product photo you want, and make sure to be specific about the background style, the product arrangement, and the style. Here's some good prompt examples. And once you're ready, press Enter after typing your prompt, and wait for the AI to generate a clean product photo based on your request. An optional step is refining and editing. If you're not satisfied with the first result, click on the generated image to open editing options. Then use the text box to describe the tweaks. But take note that the free plan only lets you regenerate up to 5 images per day. And if you need more, consider upgrading your plan. Now hover over the final image, then click Download to save it to your computer. Then upload a photo to your online store or share it directly on your social media by clicking the Share button. And here are some extra tips for better product photos. With these steps, you can create polished, professional-looking product photos using AI, perfect for online stores, catalogs, or social media promotions. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.